Morning, Concrete Basic. Good morning. So we are here at Ebenezer Drive here in Lincoln. We are Riverstone Concrete Limited. So we have 300 square meter of floor slab today. We have this is our rebate, garage rebate. So that's our rebate, guys. Yep, that's the one. That's a rebate. It's almost polishing. Almost polishing. And even though it's a little bit of showers, couple of drops, and we have 3 rebates and one.
Yeah, gotta stay away from the top.
That's the one. Yeah, that's
bad, man.
So that's what we are doing. So we're almost done. Hopefully before 3 o'clock we're finished. It's a little bit windy today. Maybe 3 hits and then we can have our floor finish. So that's the view from the back. I'll show you. That's the view from this side of the house. Okay guys, that's our update. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel Concrete Basics, and follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.